Hi there. It's almost the end of this month of January, and are you still with your New Year resolutions and your goals, or you have already given up? Yeah, most of us during the New Year season, we are so excited to set our goals and the New Year resolutions, but after a few weeks, after our excited gone, we are easily give up. Uh, uh, we are easily give up after we pass through a little bit difficult or maybe distraction and etc etc. So in today's video, I'm coming up with better steps how actual to stick in your goals and achieve them in this year. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi there, I'm Moses Castico. Yeah, welcome to my channel Castico More. Remember, in this channel I'm teaching about self-development, personal growth, how to make money from home, investment, and motivation. If you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe down below and click that bell icon in order to see my future video. Yeah. Before we continue, let us know what the reasons people fail at the first place. Why people are failing after a few weeks, once they set their New Year resolution and they collapse, they stuck and fail. Yeah, there is a couple of reasons, but let me show you three reasons. The number one reason why people fail is they set goals which is unrealistic. Yeah, and the second one, they are overwhelmed themselves. People they just set a lot of things together, so they are overwhelmed themselves. And the third one, have a lot of distraction, and there is a lot of obstacle which is prevent them to achieve their goals. Yeah, therefore, let me give you some steps which will help you to stick to your goals until the end of this year and achieve them. So, step number one, set your goals in a weekly plan. Yeah, this to set your goals in a weekly plan will help you to break them into small tasks. And after you break them into a weekly plan, obviously you break them into a 1 day plan. So this will help you to not feel overwhelmed and not feel that it's a big burden on your head. So it will be easy for you to accomplish them in a step, one step to another steps. Okay, so make sure that you break them into a weekly plan. This will help you, and then don't take set your goals, the 1 year goals, and try to do all of the things at the same time. All right, so that is it. This is a very important step in order to stick in your goals. Right. Let's go to the step two. Step number two: prioritize your resolution. Yeah. Due to excitement of a new year, many of us we have a tendency to set a lot of goals, a lot of number of goals, and we start for attack all of them at the same time. This make many of us to overwhelm ourselves. What we don't know that you can't adapt 10 habits at the same time. So what you have to do is just to choose one of your resolution, which is very important, very important for you, and stick with it, and until you master it, or until you fulfill that, and then take another one. Instead of taking a number of changes, you want to change that is maybe 10 changes at the same time. You not afford to accomplish all of them at the same time. Okay, so try try your best to prioritize your one of your resolution which is important for you. Yeah, let's say that you have a goals of losing weight. Maybe you want to reduce 10 pounds for 3 months. So instead of go gym and start lift heavy weight, you can start for eating health first. Then you can start small step by step workouts that will help you to reduce that that's the number of pounds you want to reduce. Yeah. Instead of doing multitask things. All right. So let's go to the step number 3. Step number 3 is by taking small action. For taking small action, will help you to build the momentum. Instead of start with a big task that will make you feel overwhelmed, and then at the end of the day you're gonna give up. So try your best once you set your goals and the resolution. Try your best to start small. Let's say you have something to do with maybe to write article, maybe to write a content of to your blog. So instead of start writing everything at the same time, what you have to do just start for writing a date of that day, then maybe some hints. Then after a few hours or after 2 seconds or 2 minutes, then you can continue another something which is follow. This will make you to build the momentum. At the end of the day, you're going to put to gain at the end of the day you are going to put maybe you can increase your times, maybe 5 minutes to 10 minutes. This will help you to accomplish them. Yeah. So try your best to take a small action. Yeah. Or let's say that you want to you start to go to gym. Instead of go there and start maybe 3 hours per day, just start with the 10 minutes. Just start your workout with the 10 minutes, and tomorrow maybe 10 minutes also. 1 week after 2-3 weeks, and then just increase that time, maybe 20 minutes. That will help you to build the momentum and continue until the end of you finish it. You fulfill your goals. Okay. Let's jump on to the step number 4. Step number 4 is reduce distraction. Just ask yourself what thing that prevent you to take action to your goals. After you find that, just find the way and to reduce that one. Yeah, because we are good in setting goals. We are good in setting a New Year resolution. But at the end of the day, we have a lot of things that distract us to accomplish our things. So find that thing and find the way to stop that thing, to stop that distraction. Let's say most of us we have nowadays we are so distracted by social medias. We spend a lot of time in social media to just scroll the social media, Instagram, Facebook, and other social medias. So just find the way that you can stop you can take maybe you can just take maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes per day, and don't the whole day that you stick with your mobile and just scroll for social media. So make sure that you reduce the distraction. Or maybe there is someone who always take you to the other place and you forget about your goals and everything. Or you have a friend that they like to spend their time with drinking alcohol and the other stuff like that. So just try to avoid them. So make sure you reduce the distraction. This will help you to achieve to fulfill your New Year resolution. Okay. let's jump to the step number 5, which is the last one. This is not other than share your goals with others people. Share your goals with your family. Share your goals with your friends. This will help you this will help you to work hard, because many of us we don't want people to we don't want to look failure. Or once you share your New Year resolution to your friends, or in social media, or to your family, it will stick to your head that I have already promised someone that today, this year, I'm gonna do something, like I'm gonna do this. So obviously you work hard on that, and because you don't want to someone to laugh on you, or someone. Thanks so much by watching this video. I hope you get something in this video. So if you get something, and you are new in this channel, make sure to subscribe down below, and click that bell icon, and to see my future video. Also, if you have any other steps which you know that it will help people to stick on their New Year resolution goals, just comment down below, and you will help a community on that. All right. So thank you so much. See you next time. Ciao.